Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up retargeting campaigns with AdRoll step by step clearly. First, log into your AdRoll account. If you don't have an account, create one by visiting the AdRoll website. On your dashboard, locate the Campaigns tab and click on it. Next, select Create Campaign. Choose Retargeting from the campaign type options. Define your campaign goals, such as increasing conversions or boosting brand awareness. Select your target audience based on their interactions with your website. You can use website visitors, cart abandoners, or specific product viewers for targeting. Set up the campaign budget, specifying how much you want to spend daily. Decide on the campaign duration, either a specific start and end date or continuous until paused. Now, create compelling ad creatives that resonate with your target audience. AdRoll provides templates to simplify ad creation, or you can upload your own designs. Once the ads are ready, preview them to ensure they display correctly. Next, specify the ad placements where your retarget ads will appear. AdRoll partners with various publishers and networks for optimal visibility. Review all campaign settings and details before proceeding. When everything looks good, click on Launch Campaign to activate it. Monitor your campaign's performance through the AdRoll dashboard. Check key metrics like impressions, clicks, and conversions regularly. Adjust the budget and targeting options as necessary to optimize results. Finally, analyze the overall effectiveness of your retargeting campaign to inform future strategies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.